Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new manhwa called Miss Ghost. It is forbidden to force. Chapter 1, so here it is. Let's read the story. Tao Xingyan, I bought you a peach blossom cake. Tao Xingyan, I can't come to see you anymore. Now, it turns out she was dreaming, and also she can able to see a ghost. Right now, on her dreams, she was talking to a young girl. Young Toast, about to die, you must take care of yourself. Now, it seems that she was still sleepy, but suddenly, she opened her eyes widely. Now, she's been awake. Turns out, everything is only a dream. Looking at her reaction, it seems that it was not pretty well dream. That's why she seems to be afraid of it. Look at her, she was sweating hard. The strange dream. I fell asleep again while I was on the ivy tree. Since she already came back to her senses right now, when she opened her eyes, being unable to see the ghost. Are you awake? The ghost said to her. Well, she was said hello to her. Now, it really makes her puzzled. She was wondering, seeing that you have been in a cold sweat just now. I thought you would have something to do. It's good that you're already awake. Now, she was looking to the ghost. Look at her. She is so beautiful girl. Why she always talk to me? Now, she was thinking, this girl, she is the one. When she was dreaming, now, it was really in front of her. Also, she thinks that she is also dreaming at this moment. You need to call a nurse for you. When your IV infusion bottle is in the bottom, she probably don't know that I could see her. She couldn't talk against the ghost. Elegance of the fast ages connects into the north, in the south, and today we are citing the poem about Lanting for the novel name. By the way, my name is Shang Shusheng. It means it was female. It sounds good too, right? But right now, my mana, how did I enhance it? Is it because? So, right now, turns out the ghost mana is really increasing when she come closer to her. Now, it's because she is closer to her. Her mana, it was really surging on. Suddenly, she covered herself. Now, she got in through. This girl, turns out, she is gaining special power. She really came closer towards her. Miss Lanting, where are you going? Now, Lanting, she was going out, but look at her. She's really worried. How are you going? Lanting, it seems that she don't want to listen to her. Let's come, my friend, who just died. We'll go there to register. Why did you not reincarnate? Oh, naive rich has recently resisted to travel. It hasn't been returned yet. Now, I have to leave here quickly. I don't want to have any relationship with a ghost. Lanting said to her. Now, but what happened to my heart? It's really beating fast. Miss Lanting, where are you going? Now, she was really following her. Your little girl, why are you chasing me as a Taos priest? Now, it makes sense. She was also doubting herself. Don't know why, but because in the close you that my mana has greatly increased. Miss Lanting, wait for me. Now, she was calling her so much. Suddenly, when she looked back, oh, this girl, something's happening to her. A lot of vines are going to surround her. Repeat that there's a monster or something else that's going to approach her. The days of the 1,000 years old ghost. I waited for a long time, so it turns out this monster is feeding on the ghost soul. Well, this is wrong. Someone must save her, right? Especially right now. The monster seems to coming closer to her, but she wants to let her go until this monster is really holding her tightly. Of course, she don't want to release her. But this girl, Lanting, it turns out she can able to defeat the monster. Now, she's going to cast spell, hanging with the ghost, and many more. Look at it. Looking at it. Right now, she casts a spell. Don't worry about the ghost. People, ghosts, have a different thoughts. Otherwise, they will bring unnecessary cause and effect. But she is really beautiful. Now, she was really hesitating. Is she going to cast the ghost out? Or she can let her. Now, she's crying. Teacher's door, taboo, and it cannot be violated. Now, there's a lot of things bothering on her. Still, the ghost They're being sucked up by the monster. Right now, they're really draining them. What's the matter? I feel that I have no energy. People, also, the ghost has been trapped by the monster and still want to resist. Let me inhale some of young energy and I will eat you again. Now, this monster, she's really getting greedy. Now, fuck off. Until now, she was really held tightly. Of course, she really can move. Someone must help her so she can able to escape from this. Although, some electricity gone struck by. Now, the monster, it seems to be electrocuted, and the ghost, she was only staring at hers, and the monster into crippled. Now, it really dissipate. Did she really get defeated? Now, she got really curious. Right now, she really helped her. Lantang, it turns out, she's also good people. Well, it turns out, she can really cast a spell. Look at her. She looks really gorgeous. That postures and look. She seems to be a great person. Well, let's see. How can she able to help her again? Now, the ghost. She was really coughing. Well, she can really handle it. Now, the ghosts are endangering the living and no matter how good it is. So she was thinking, seems that she was going to abandon her. Oh, thanks to you. You really defeated her. You are great and it really increased my mana. It's coming again and I didn't expect that. House priest can be chased by a ghost. Now, it really strange people. Can they see me? Wait, I'm a ghost. She's human, of course. She can see me. I finally realized this. Besides, I'm so good looking. Besides, if I really see me, I can be killed by my beauty. This girl, she's really getting tricky. Now, it really makes sense. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. It seems that the two of them are really getting comfortable with each other. Just the narcissistic ghost. Oh, what a cute ghost she is. Well, let's see. This girl, she's become sticky towards her. However, she has the capital of narcissism, but right now, she continued to think hard. Also, how to approach her. Oh, she was laughing hard since she can't see me. Then, what is she going to do right now? Is she plotting something against her? Well, maybe she is. This moment, she moved closer to Lantang. She kissed her gently. Well, this girl, they're really getting tricky, right? Lantang, all she can do is to accept everything from her, even though it seems to be puzzled. Of course, she need to be considerate and also, she is really caring about her. Well, let's see. Ghost seems to be wants to follow her. Wait, don't go. Did you forget something? Hey guys, the story seems to be promising. Let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. A big shout out to Rafa. Thank you for always supporting me on Ko-Fi. Have a nice and wonderful day everyone.